Hey there, this is Steve Thoele, Principal Broker with Premier Property Group, and bringing you another quick update on the McMinnville real estate market. This update is going to cover the last 6 weeks of market activity, ending this past Sunday, March 21st. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and share some info with you. First off, looking at the active listings. Last week in McMinnville, we had 12 new homes come on the market. Ended the week at 19, which you'll see that's been within a listing or two of that here over the past month or so. Median list price and days on market, you'll see that those kind of both came down a bit this past week. Median list price came down to 685 and 23 days average market time for the active listings. Moving on to the pending listings, you'll see that last week we had 10 pendings in McMinnville. It's kind of a high for the last 6 weeks. And as well as the total number of pendings, we ended the week at 53, and you'll see that's been climbing over the past 4 or 5 weeks now. The median price and days on market, you'll see we've been climbing there in terms of the price up to 400,000 this last week. Days on market's been very steady, 4 days on average over this past month, so things getting into contract very quickly. And then lastly, looking at the sold listings, you'll see as of the time I put this together, we had 4 homes sell last week in McMinnville. And then over the prior 4 weeks of activity here, you'll see that we had 21, and that's been declining over the past month. Median sold price and days on market, that's been declining as well in terms of the sold price, down to 365,000 this past week. And then the days on market, we were down to 5 this last week as well. And then lastly, looking at the weeks of inventory, which is the red bars here, you'll kind of see that that's been climbing over the past month or so, up to about 3.5 weeks this past week. So it's good to see a little bit more inventory in the market. But quite honestly, it's still very tight market, still very much a strong seller's market. So you can have a better and closer look at this update by clicking the link or button below the video. It'll take you to my website, and you can take a closer look there. And then below that, be sure to check out my buyer and seller guides, which are there for you to download. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home, they're a great resource for you to check out. Hope this update's been helpful to you. If so, please give me some likes, comments, and shares. And lastly, if you don't have a real estate broker that you know and trust, I certainly would welcome the opportunity to see if my 16 years of experience and local market knowledge could be a good fit for you. So just give me a call or send me a message, and I'd be happy to help. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.